BANCHINGU. BANCHINGU. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study BANCHINGU. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time out here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 199. BANCHINGU. The first part is pronounced as pan, the second part is chin, and the third part is gu. Pronounce it with me. BANCHINGU. BANCHINGU. The word BANCHINGU literally means half friend, but it could be used to say classmate. How do we write BANCHINGU in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the three syllables. To be able to write the syllable ban in Hangul, we need to draw first a beep character, followed by an a character, followed by a neon character. For the second syllable chin, we need to draw first a tiat character, followed by an e character, followed by a neon character. For the last syllable gu, we need to draw first a gyo character, followed by an u character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word BANCHINGU. As mentioned earlier, the literal translation of BANCHINGU is half friend. The word ban means half and chingu means friend. But if we combine it, it could actually be used to say classmate, because those that belong to the same class as us at school are considered half a friend because we spend a lot of times or even almost half of the day at school. So it's half friend or classmate. However, there's a closer term or a more common used term for classmate in Korea, which is donggubseng. Again, it's donggubseng. So when you hear BANCHINGU, we can interpret this as half friend or classmate. But we can also use donggubseng, or this is a more specific term for classmate. Hopefully, we could discuss about the word donggubseng on a separate video. So, looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the word BANCHINGU is half friend or classmate. And with that, you've just learned BANCHINGU. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 189 to 198. But don't forget our word for today, word number 199, BANCHINGU, which means half friend or classmate. Word number 198 is woyoil, which means Monday. Word number 197 is putto, which means from. Word number 196 is sengil, which means birthday. Word number 195 is dakcho, which means shut up. Word number 194 is yaksoke, which means promise me. Word number 193 is wisa, which means doctor. Word number 192 is heba, which means try to do it. Word number 191 is boseyo, which means so, or the past tense form of the verb to see. Word number 190 is moksori, which means voice. And the last for our review, word number 189 is bom, which means spring season. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.